I'm Kalamohan, Singapore lawyer, speaking to you again. Today I'm going to tell you about sexual offences, particularly with the base on those offences which were committed recently at NUS. The offence where a guy actually filmed a girl while she was having a shower. It created a lot of frenzy, rightfully, and there was even a meeting held at the university for students and suggestions. Meanwhile, the seriousness of this crime has now been stamped. In other words, authorities have realized that even if it happens in a university, even if it happens within the precincts of a school meaning college, university and so on, higher institutions of learning, the police have every right to go in and arrest those chaps who commit these offences, and they deserve the punishment just like any other criminal on the road, public, right? So this is what is happening. And after the first incident of filming a girl while she was showering, another incident has happened at NUS. This time the culprit has run away and changed shirts to avoid being detected, but he has been arrested and he has been charged in court. Well, he's not going to be easily left off. He's going to be punished. The important thing here to notice is whether he's a student in a university or he is a member of the public, the law is the same. If you commit such an offence, you ought to be punished. Just because you're a student in a university doesn't mean the severity of the offence is lower. Therefore, please be careful whether you commit an offence within the halls of residences or you commit an offence outside. The section is the same, the punishment is the same, and you ought to be punished. And we must be very fair to our girls in the community, the students in the community, and the girls in the public. Please don't commit such offences. You commit such offences, you're going to pay for it and you're going to go to jail. Okay? You will go to jail. So don't ever commit these offences. At this time I tell you one case which I did, a very peculiar case. In a swimming pool, there were some women swimming, and a man was also swimming. What he did, in the water, he went and touched a woman. Not just touched, pinched a woman. She quickly came out of the water and said, who is that? But she could not identify. Then she just continued swimming, and she was with her husband there, and she continued swimming. That guy had the cheek and temerity to give her a second pinch, and this time he surfaced out of the water. At the same time, the lady too surfaced, and she saw him and she alerted her husband. The husband immediately came and caught hold of the chap, alerted the swimming pool authorities. It was a public swimming pool, and he was arrested. I defended him. I could not say much on his behalf. Why? Because he was an adult, he was a working adult, and there was nothing wrong with his senses, normal, and he went to jail for 9 months. 9 months, mind you. Why did he do that? That was outraging the modesty of a woman. Under section 354, he was sentenced. Be careful never to commit any offence of such nature, because the sentences are severe. Right? Thank you, and be careful.